Alright guys, in this video I want to show you how you can deposit into your wallet through ATM card deposit option. So first thing we need to do now is to click on this add fund. So click on the add fund, click on it. Then enter the amount you want to deposit. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Then select the payment gateway. Select the ATM pay stack. So click on proceed. Tap on proceed. So click on pay now. Click on pay now. Enter the card number. So tap on pay. So tap on authenticate. Then it will authorize the payment. So once it has brought you to this page, then click on continue. Then a code will be sent to your phone number. Copy the code just like this and paste it there. Then tap on pay. Let's hold on for a minute. As you can see that the payment has been successfully. So let's check our wallet balance now. As you can see now that before we have 14,111 naira. So now we have 14,600 naira. So that is how you can make payments. You can payment to your wallet through ATM deposit. This deposit payment option is very simple and it is safe. All the payment options, they are safe for those people that do not want to deposit their wallet, to deposit into their wallet through the BVN validation aspect. You can make use of the ATM card funding aspect. So thank you guys.